Jesse, let us begin with arrays basics.
Sure, Harry. Hunter Peep.
What is an array?
An array is a data structure that stores a fixed size sequence of elements of the same type. It allows for random access due to its contiguous memory allocation, which makes it efficient for indexed lookup.
Key concepts here are array definition, fixed size, contiguous memory. Clearly explain the data structure's purpose and characteristics. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing arrays with linked lists. Why do arrays matter in programming?
Arrays are crucial because they enable efficient storage and manipulation of data. They provide constant time access to elements, making them ideal for algorithms requiring fast lookups and operations on collections.
Key concepts here are memory efficiency, performance in algorithms. Link your explanation to common programming scenarios. Common mistakes candidates make here are underestimating their efficiency. What are the limitations of arrays?
Arrays have fixed sizes, meaning they cannot dynamically grow or shrink as needed. This can lead to wasted memory if underutilized or overflow errors if exceeded.
Key concepts here are fixed size limitations, memory waste. Mention trade-offs to provide depth. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring dynamic alternatives. How are arrays implemented in Python?
In Python, arrays can be represented using lists or the array module. Lists provide dynamic sizing and flexible data types, while the array module offers a compact way to store data of the same type.
Key concepts here are Python lists, array module. Explain the practical implications of each type. Common mistakes candidates make here are not distinguishing between lists and arrays. How do you reverse an array in Python?
To reverse an array, we can utilize slicing to create a new reversed list. Alternatively, we can use the reverse method, which modifies the list in place. This saves space compared to creating a new list.
Key concepts here are array manipulation, in-place operations. Discuss both slicing and in-place methods. Common mistakes candidates make here are not considering time complexities. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more insights on data structures. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.